Hey everybody, Carl with Gordon Homes. Wanted to share with you today a little story while I'm on the road. And by the way, my phone is in a mount, so I'm not free-handing my phone or whatever while we're driving. Always be safe out there. But I want to share a little story with you today about one of the funnier things that's happened to me in a little bit. About 7:30 in the morning the other day, my phone rang, and it was my buddy Greg. Greg's a good guy. We're casual friends. We come across each other, gosh, I don't even know how many times over the last 15 years or so. I had the opportunity to do an inspection for him and his lovely family about 2 years ago, and it's been great. So anyway, he calls me up the other day, 7:30 in the morning. I'm like, what in the world is Greg doing calling me at 7:30 in the morning? So he explains to me that there's a buzzing coming from the GFI outlet in his bathroom. So that's the little outlet that resets, if something goes wrong or whatever. Buzzing, that's weird. But okay, so we're talking through things, we're trying to figure it out. We'll just hit the test button, and because he was nervous, they had to leave for work, didn't want the house burned down. We'll just hit the test button, and that'll shut the outlet off. And did it, still buzzing. What in the world? So, well, if you're really worried about it, go down and turn that breaker off, and then there's nothing can happen if there's no power to it. There's not going to be any kind of a fire or anything. So it goes down, he shuts the breaker off. Still buzzing. He puts the phone over by the thing, and it's like buzzing. It was not like a hum, or it was like buzzing. What in the world? I said, well, I've got a busy day, but I'll tell you what, I could be over there looking after lunch. So his wife made arrangements where she could be home when I got there. And about 15 minutes later or so, he sends me a picture of this. Yes, this. Electric toothbrush had gotten turned on, fallen down apparently between the vanity and the wall. And it took us a while to figure that out. So, of course, I laughed, told Greg he's going to be Facebook famous, YouTube famous, and he took it with a grain of salt. So we got a good laugh out of that. So just one of those things, and not only funny, but a reminder, we're here for you after the inspection, whether it be a couple of months, a couple of years, whatever. If you have a question, concern, a problem, you just come check something out, always give me a call. We're happy to help out our clients and friends however we can. So hope you enjoyed that little chuckle. I certainly did. And I'll be continuing to give Greg crap about that probably for the rest of our lives. So have a great day, everybody.